Hey guys, Ethan here. So today I'm gonna be showing off my review game. It's a review game for biology, and here are the rules. So you move with WASD or the arrows, and you can press space to shoot. And there's an asteroid in all four corners, and then answer corresponds with each one. So then you shoot the correct asteroid to go to the next level. Each time you go to the next level, you get a point. But if you get it wrong, it's gonna restart the game. So hopefully help you with your review. So as you see, here's an asteroid right here. So what did Hook do? Did he discover cells? Did he discover that all animals are made of cells? Or maybe he discovered if all plants are made of cells? Or if he invented the microscope? So basically, you just shoot the right one, like I said earlier, and you go to the next level. And there you go, next level, you got a point. What is a prokaryotic cell? And just to demonstrate, if you get it wrong, since it doesn't actually create ATP, I'll just shoot this, and then it goes you back to the main menu, and your points reset. So let's just go through the game, I guess. So that he did discover that. Yeah. So what is a prokaryotic cell? Does it have a nucleus? It does not. So we're gonna go down here. It does not have a nucleus. So we're gonna go to that and go to the next level. So what is an organelle? An organelle. It is not an organ, but it's a specialized structure. Basically like an organ. Okay, so hey guys, I skipped over the levels in the middle. I just figured it'd be a little repetitive, and if you really want to learn, you can try the game out for yourself. So I'll just show you the last level, and I'll show you the end screen. So at this point, you have gotten 19 answers right, and there's 20 questions in total. And so we'll see this last one. So what is ATP made of? Not alcohol, not protein, no, and it does not have thymine in it, so that must mean it's up top to the left. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, so here's the end screen. You finished the level, and here's just a little joke. You should have studied differently, but trust me, this is good. It'll prepare you. And you click quit, and it'll send you back, and you can try again. And yeah, and then now we'll get into some of the code behind the game. Alright guys, now that we've seen the basics of the game, let's look into how it was made, look into some of the basics behind it. Let's go to our first level, and you can see here's here's the spaceship, here's the script to move, built in already. The trails, pre-built in also, and some of the script, like the UI interface, comes from Playgrounds, which you download that asset package, and there'll be some more pre-built stuff. This UI was very helpful, and we'll look at the main menu. So here I put in a canvas, and then I put in buttons. And these buttons allow it to be, so you can click on it. Then you also have to add an on click to the button script, and you have to have code. So we'll look at the code. So basically, when you click, you can either you'll load a scene, or so there's the quit game button, and this is the play game button. So this will load the first level, and then this will basically take you back to the first main menu. And then so we'll go back. So that's how the main menu works. And on these buttons, you can go right here, and you can change what you want to happen when you click. So I could change this to quit game, and then it'll do the same function as the quit button. And then right here you put in the code that it's referring from. And the rules is just text mesh pro. And then let's go to the game. And I already showed you the spaceship. So the answers, there you are, just also a text mesh pro. Then I also added a follow target script so that it'll follow the asteroid that is corresponding to. So if you fly into it, the text will follow it as well. So you'll know which asteroids go with which answer. And then on the asteroids, they just have these basic rigid body sprite render stuff, but then also have some code in them. So basically, so when collides, and then it basically this is saying when it collides, and then it's checking what it's colliding with. So just to make sure if your spaceship runs into an asteroid, it won't automatically make you lose. It's checking for the bullet specifically. So then if you get the bullet onto the right asteroid, then it'll load to the next scene through this code, which is basically saying the load scene, the scene manager, and it's looking at the active scene, and then it's looking at the build index, which is basically all the levels that are built into the game, and then just adding one to the build index, so it'll go to the next level. And then that's how, when you shoot it, it checks the bullet, and then it loads to the next level. And yeah, and then we'll look at what happens when you shoot the wrong asteroid. So same thing, when it collides, and it specifically checks for the bullet, so that your spaceship doesn't basically make you restart. And this time, it'll just send you back to the main menu, and so it'll reset your score, and you'll have to go back and learn everything back over again. So it's a good way to help you. Oh, shoot. Sorry about that. It's a good way to help you learn. Okay. And so basically, that's basically the gist. Then I had the border, it's just so you can't go out, and the asteroid won't go too far if you hit into it. Oh yeah, the user interface. So this could be used for like health bar and stuff, but I took all that out. That was over here. So in the spacer, which is usually blank, I added the question in, so it'd be right front and center, easy to see. And right here is the score, and to each level corresponds a different score. So this is just the first level, so you haven't had any right answers yet. But on the next level, you have a new question in the spacer, and also on the right here, you have a higher number for your score. And that's basically how the UI works. This is from Playgrounds. And then I showed you asteroid answers, the border. In the camera, I just added a follow script, so that follows the spaceship. And frame size is 30. And then I just changed the background so it would be easy on the eyes. Not too many bright colors or anything like that. And so basically, I just copied these, and I made new scenes and copied them over, and just changed the scoring for each level, and I changed the questions and answers and to which asteroid they correspond to on each level. And then we get down to the ending, which is very similar to the main menu. Right, it just has this text that shows to tell you this the end, and then it has this from the main menu. It's copied over. So when you click this, it sends you back to the main menu. And yeah, that's basically how the game was made. I used a previous game that we created It was the first game we made with Unity, and I altered it and added new stuff to create this. And yeah, play my review game. It'll help you study for biology. Good luck on your finals.